Hello friends, welcome back to Mothermade channel. Friends, today's topic is almond shampoo. Friends, today I will show you how to make shampoo in a full practical video. After completing the video, I will tell you the quantity of raw materials. So, please watch full video. Don't skip the video in between. So, let's go. So let's start. For that I have taken an empty vessel. The first material is SLES, which I am putting in the vessel. It is a surfactant. Now I am adding CDEA. It is a co-surfactant. Now I am adding cocoa betaine. It is also a co-surfactant. Now I am adding glycerin. It is a moisturizer. Now I am adding cocoa mono flakes. It is a thickener. Now I am adding EDTA. It is a water softener. Now I am adding water. You can take RO water or mineral water, but please don't take tap water. This is EGMS. It is used to make shampoo milky. It is optional. Now I am transferring this into a steel bowl. See, now I have taken water in a big vessel and switched on the gas flame. And now I am putting this bowl into this big vessel. This is called double boiler. See, now it has already melted. So I am removing it from the vessel. After melting, it will look like this. Now let it cool. After cooling, I am adding almond oil. I am adding fragrance in it. You can take any fragrance of your choice. Now after mixing with water, see the result. See the foam. The quality is too good. Now I am telling you the quantity of raw materials. Please note it down. You have to take SLES 40 ml. CDEA is 3 ml. Cocoa betaine is 10 ml. Cocoa mono flakes 7 grams. Almond oil 2 ml. Then glycerin is 7 ml. EDTA powder is 0.40. Remember, 0.40 gram. Water should be 50 ml. Simply put all these ingredients in a vessel and then warm it in a double boiler. Then your shampoo will be ready. And if you are adding EGMS, take 3 gram EGMS. Friends, if you are interested to do business, you can do business of shampoo because it is a very profitable business. The demand of shampoo is very high and the process of making shampoo is very easy. The cost of shampoo in the market is very high, but the production cost of shampoo is very low. So it is a low investment and high profitable business. Friends, if you have any queries, you can write down in the comment box. And friends, if you like my video, please click the like button and share my videos with all your relatives and friends. And if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. After subscribing, you will see a bell icon. Please press that bell icon also, and after that pressing bell icon, you will see 3 options on the screen. Please press the all button which is on the top. Pressing all button is very important. By pressing all button, you will receive notification whenever I make a new video. So please press all button. Now friends, we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy.